Hello everyone, this is my review of Bento Box lunchbox, and I couldn't be happier with my choice. The design features layered stackable compartments that are perfect for organizing various food items, from salads to rice dishes. Each compartment seals tightly, ensuring that nothing leaks during transit amongst from my busy work days. The 47 ounces capacity is just right. It holds enough food to keep me satisfied without being overwhelming. I particularly appreciate the versatility of being microwave safe. I can easily heat up my meals without needing to transfer them to another dish, which saves time and minimizes cleanup. Cleaning is a breeze since it's dishwasher safe, and I've noticed it holds up well after multiple washes without any wear. The included utensil set is a thoughtful addition, ensuring I have everything I need in one package. Plus, the cute Japanese-inspired design adds a fun touch to my lunch routine and makes me excited to eat. I hope this review